Hi everyone, if this is your first time having to sew a button on your clothes, worry not, I've got the simplest way for you to learn. And here's what you need to achieve this. You'll need your button, thread, needle and some scissors. Grab a nice long piece of thread, take one end and put that through the eye of the needle and tie a knot at the end. This step here is optional. If you do have a dressmaking pen or pencil at home, you can do this step. However, if you don't, then just skip this step and move to the next, because you can't use a normal pencil as this will stain your fabric. Take your needle and poke it through the fabric and into the first hole of the button. Then, going down again with that needle, you go into the second hole, diagonal to the first one, and down to the other side. So I want to create a crisscross pattern, so I'll aim for another hole onto the bottom, and from the bottom up, repeat that step 3 to 4 times until you feel that the button is now rigid and strong enough not to fall out. And lastly, you need to secure your stitch. So you will flip your button upside down and make 1 to 2 stitches and loop that at the back. And once you're happy with that loop or how it looks, it has to be nice and rigid, remember, because you don't want your button to be falling out. Once you're happy, you just cut the thread out and that is your button done. You see, it's so nice and easy and very straight to the point. Look, if this was your first time ever holding a needle and a thread, or sewing rather, look, there's always first time for everything, and congratulations by the way. I hope from here we're going up, you won't stop. At least now you have experience and you know that it's not that difficult. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more of learning videos about sewing, you can just check out my channel. Thank you so much for popping in. See you guys next time. Bye.